Good morning, everybody. This is Deb. Happy Monday. This is my latest video for the Saturday morning makes that was started by Jill Norwood. Hello, Jill. And I'm a bit late this week. In fact, I'm a bit late on everything this Christmas. Not sure why, but I'm sure a lot of you can understand that. I want to say hello and thank you to my new subscribers. That would be Jean Yee and Connie Wilson. Thank you so much for signing up as a subscriber. Last week I had shown some paper piecing items that I made, and this week I'm going to show you what I did with those. I decided last year I gave away loaded envelopes, and this year I decided to do some Christmas boxes instead. So I'll move this aside and start with this one. This is a paper piecing pattern from Little Scraps of Heaven. And the box itself, I used a tutorial by Prairie Paper Crafts. And before I get into all this, maybe I should show you what dies I used for all of these projects. I use this one just about every year, which is Cottage Cuts Winter Snowman. I use this gingerbread die from AliExpress. I'm sorry if there is a glare. And I use this one from AliExpress as well. This die is from Impression Obsession. I think the number is there. It's one of my favorite sets, Sizzix Thinlits, the Snowflakes. I don't know if this die is available anymore. It is a corner die, which looks like this. And it is, there's the number right there. And again, that's Joy Vintage Flourish. This is a tag die from AliExpress. This bow die is from Alina Cuddle on Ali. This doily die is a silhouette die by Nicole Silhouette. That one also came from AliExpress. I use this Spellbinders die, the Timeless Rectangle. And I use this Sizzix die, as a tag base. And there is the number. So again, this is the box that I made. And there's that Timeless Rectangle. I did layer everything up on this cover, or top. It's very plain. I kept everything kind of plain this year. And I also used up papers that were in my stash. Most of them came from Hobby Lobby. I plan on putting my tags in these boxes, as well as a card. This is my other box. This is the Tractor Santa that I showed last week. And that design came from Treasure Box Designs. It's a paper piecing pattern. Again, the box is quite simple. I used as a base Park Lane 120-pound white cardstock. I noticed their cardstock is a lot sturdier than the Walmart 120-pound cardstock. At Walmart, I still use their cardstock, is good, but if you're looking for a sturdy card base or for a box, I do like the Park Lane from Joann's. Most of my ribbons did come from Hobby Lobby. And this is the inside. And there's the corner pieces from the Joy die. My tags that I made this year, didn't make too many of these this year either. This one is a little teddy bear. This I made of my Cricut. It is a paper piece pattern that came from Little Scraps of Heaven Designs. I used some stickles to go around the edge, so it looks quite glittery. Made 5 of those. I made 5. I think I made 5 of almost every tag this year. And this little gingerbread, the AliExpress die. I did use some distress ink with the craft paper. These are the tiny little tags from Lily of the Valley. I love those. That says Happy Christmas, a little twine bow with the bell. And these are all the same, just different color bells and different tags. This one says Christmas hugs, Christmas wishes, jingle bells. If your bells don't jingle, it's because the glue that you use to attach it may have gotten on the clanger inside. I've noticed that's what happens with some of them. And this one's Merry Christmas. This is the snowman. This is just some cord I had in my stash. Beautiful gold. These are the snowflakes from the Tim Holtz set. Each of the snowflakes is a little different on each tag. And lastly is the little gingerbread girl. I made these in green and red. This is a Spellbinders poinsettia die. In fact, I think it's a knockoff that was on Ally. I don't like buying knockoffs. This was given to me, but I am going to get the real one. And again, this is the AliExpress gingerbread girl. This background paper is from Polka Doodles. And these are all the same, I believe. Yes. Then I have the one I did in green. This is the bow die from Alina. And I put some little heart gems on this one to match her little collar heart. And that's it. I do have a couple of tags I have left over from last year. I plan on also putting into each box. I also have the gift card holders I made this year, which I plan on putting a couple in each box as well. and I'll get these off to the post office. Thank you so much for watching. If I am not on before the holiday with another video, I wish everyone a happy holiday season, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, happy holidays in general. And for everyone who's hurting this year, I know there's several. My heart goes out to you. My prayers are with you. It's been a rough year for our family as well. And at the holidays, this is when you really miss the ones who are no longer with you, but they are in our hearts. Thank you so much, and have a blessed holiday. Bye.